G'day, how's it going? We are heading to the BTS Visionary Park. Oh. And we've got a walkway here. How good is this? And over there, Chatuchak Park, Chatuchak Weekend Market just down there, and the BTS Mo Chit behind us. So if you wanted to come here, just get off at the Mo Chit BTS stop. Still got a wee way to walk, right to the end there. So we're at the entrance of the BTS Visionary Park. 10th floor gathering hub. Karaoke, game zone, meeting rooms, green space on the 13th floor, 10th floor, the 10th floor. It looks like you're coming to restaurants. It's all very flash, doesn't it? The Bevy. Someone's cold over there. Oh, that's an impressive atrium. So to get up to floor 10, you have to register. You can either scan, you need a passport, so bring your passport or photocopies of it, and the lady at the help desk will give you these cards, and that's the only way to get to the lift. Some games here you can play, I guess. This is level 10. It might be a bit windy up here, but looks like a very nice view from up here, above the grass. It's a good spot up here. So Dale preparing for photos.
Right.
Dale preparing for photos.
So
Can we go out there?
Sure, yes, right.
Thank you. So now we're on floor 36. Wow, this is quite nice, isn't it?
Isn't it? Beautiful.
Oh, this pool looks inviting. Don't think they'd like me jumping in, but oh, it's actually quite warm too. Oh, that's a specky view. Coffee shop there. Let's have a look around this side. Oh wow, it's windy. Might get a bit of wind noise, but yep, very cool view. If you come here, you're going to come up to 36. And I think we can go over there, maybe get up on the very top. So they've got a gym up here, probably one of the best views of a full-size gym. Very cool. It's called, if you're interested, Gym X Fitness Club. And it's probably got one of the best views for a commercial gym. And I think it's got a running track here, because they've got this closed off. They're doing something with it. I'll just show you. So we've got a running track, goes up, over the top, around the top, and comes back down. So, I don't know, that might be 400 metres, and you've got a downhill and an uphill slope. Yeah. And I'd say that gym, oh, I got the blinds down now, there's the sunny up this side, but let's see if we can sneak around here. No. Let's go around here and see if we can get around. Squeeze through. Oh, yep. Oh yeah, it's one of the rooms. I don't know if you can see in there. But I'm picking the windows there, so you're going to get that view. There's a fake grass area up there. Oh, squeeze through it, my new skinny fella. Nice and easy. The shower after you've had a swim, or before you've had a swim and after. Let's go up onto the grass. How cool is this spot? If you lived close by, it'd be a good gym to come to. Very cool. We come and sit up here and do a bit of sunbathing. If I only had my speedos, my budgie smugglers, we could have a swim.
Hey. Very cold.
So we've gone to the other end, and you might be able to see in there. We've got looks like a sled track. Plenty of weights. I don't know if you can see right through there. I don't know if you can, someone's on their phone, like everyone these days in the gym. And we've got a spectacular view out the other side. We'll come back, do another video when they've opened that rooftop running area. You can just see out the top there. So that's the Cubic High Performance Social Club, and that was that end, and that's with personal trainers and group classes. The gym at the other end is completely separate. You probably can't see me now, it's completely separate, and that's if you train by yourself. So we're on 36. So we're back out to floor 5, which is where we came in.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. So we came in up here, come around here the first time, and you need a visitor's card to get to level 10 and go up here, but Gym X, Cubic, straight in there and up to 36. So just to recap, that's where we came in. You come in, you can have a look around the food area here. You go to the information centre there and show your passport and get a visitor's pass to go up to level 10, which is where we had a coffee, and then we came down, ended up in the lift over there and up to 36. So we're back out at the entrance, so hopefully that made sense.
It's only open Monday to Friday.
Okay, open Monday to Friday, not the weekend. But I guess the gym's open the weekends, maybe. Anyway, that's our tour of BTS Visionary Park. So if you like that, then hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. See ya.